Your relationship with money is about to transform, not because I'm going to teach you some new hustle, not because you're going to work harder, but because you're going to understand something that changed everything for me. The version of you that has money already exists. And the moment you step into that version, your outer world must follow. I'm going to share with you the exact process I've been using, the one Neville Goddard taught that has completely shifted how I experience money, opportunities, and my own power. This isn't theory for me anymore. I've watched my own life reorganize itself as I changed my inner assumptions. And I'm going to walk you through how to do the same. The truth is this: imagination creates reality. It's not positive thinking, not affirmations you don't believe, but the deep, felt assumption of already being the person who has what you desire. And here's what that means. You don't need to figure out how the money will come. That's where most people get stuck. They want a strategy, a plan, a logical bridge from here to there. But that's the fatal error. To ask how is to admit you don't yet believe. The how is not your concern. Your only job is to accept the end, to live in the end, to assume it's already done. Your task is simply to feel it real and persist. I spent years doing it the hard way, stressing over every dollar, checking my bank account with anxiety, telling myself maybe someday, while feeling the weight of lack every single day. And then I discovered Neville's teaching. I started practicing living from the end, and everything shifted. The opportunities started appearing, the ideas started flowing, the money started moving in ways I couldn't have planned. But none of it happened until I changed my inner state. Here's what makes this so powerful. This law works for everyone. It doesn't care about your background, your education, your past failures, or whether others think you deserve it. The law doesn't play favorites. It simply responds to what you assume to be true about yourself. Rich or poor, young or old, it works the same way for everyone who dares to believe. Let me be clear about something. Your current financial situation is not the truth about you. It's just the echo of old assumptions. It's yesterday's beliefs playing out today. But the moment you change your assumption, the echo must change. Right now, there's a version of you living in complete financial freedom. That version doesn't worry about bills. That version moves through the world with quiet confidence. That version gives generously, invests boldly, and never feels the grip of scarcity. That version exists right now in imagination. And your only job is to become them. I know what you might be thinking, but I can't act like a millionaire. I can't do what wealthy people do. And you're right. You may not be able to do what a millionaire does in the outer world yet. But here's the secret. You don't need to. You can feel what they feel. You can imagine what they imagine. You can think as they think. And that feeling, that inner state, that is the seed that brings the fruit. You don't need the fancy car or the designer clothes to assume wealth. You need the inner conviction, the quiet knowing, the feeling of already being wealthy. That's what creates the external reality. Here's the practice I use to live in the state of already being wealthy. When I wake up, before I even check my phone, I close my eyes and step into the version of me that's already living my dream life. I feel what she feels. I think how she thinks. I let that state saturate me before I start my day. I don't imagine getting money. I imagine already having it. I see myself paying for things without a second thought. I feel the relief of knowing every need is met. I hear conversations where people ask me how I did it. I see the exact numbers I desire in my bank account as if they're already there. And I don't just visualize it like some distant dream. I feel it. I let it move me. I let it become more real than my current circumstances. I also do this at night, right before sleep. I fall asleep in the feeling of already having what I desire. Because here's the secret Neville taught. What you feel to be true will harden into fact. People think this is about being delusional or ignoring reality, but it's the opposite. This is about recognizing that your imagination is reality. Everything in your life right now, every object, every relationship, every dollar began as someone's imagined idea. The house you live in was imagined before it was built. The phone you're holding was imagined before it existed. Your current financial situation was imagined into being by your past assumptions. So if imagination created your current reality, why can't it create a new one? It can, and it will. I've seen opportunities appear out of nowhere. I've had people reach out with offers I never would have imagined. I've watched money come through channels I didn't even know existed. But more than that, I felt the internal shift. The anxiety is gone. The desperation is gone. I move through life differently now because I know that I'm the operant power in my reality, and that knowing changes everything. So are you ready to stop letting your bank account tell you who you are and step into the wealthy version of you that already exists? Because if you are, then the process is simple. Assume it's already done. Feel it as real. Persist no matter what the outer world says. That's it. That's the whole secret. Here's what I know now that I wish I knew when I started. The law is simple. But what actually stops manifestation isn't knowing what to do. It's the version of yourself you're holding on to. The old beliefs, the old identity, the old self-concept that says, this isn't for me. You can do all the visualization in the world, say all the affirmations, but if you haven't shifted who you believe you are at your core, nothing sticks. Because there is no one to change but self. When your self-concept changes, your reality has no choice but to follow. If you're ready to actually shift that, to clear what's been blocking you and embody the version of you who already has what you desire, you'll find the complete step-by-step system I use in the link below.